Hi there, we just got from Amazon our 6-puck dimmable lights. You can see we got the 4 lights here. I've got 2 of the lights that are already installed underneath there. It comes with a couple ways you can do it. One, you could just plug it in and hardwire it into there. Then you plug the outlets into there. I'm going to use the remote control with a dimmable switch. There, the lights are on. Okay, comes with very easy instructions how to use the remote control. It tells you that for the under the cabinet how to use your manual. Very easy to follow. Like I said, I just put 2 of them on. Okay, hit the on button. You can turn it off. I can go to 100%. If you look at underneath there, I can go to 100% bright. Okay, turn that. I can also just do it plus or minus to lower the light. You should be able to see in the background. That's going down. Very functional, very easy to use. So like I said, I've only put 2 of them up. We can put the other ones on. You got 3 on this side, and you have 1 on the other side. It comes with hardware, the screws to hardwire it underneath your cabinet, wherever you want to put it. And then you have these pieces here that'll hold up all your wiring so you can't see that. I said very easy to install, very nice to have. You can mount that on the wall on and off button. And I recommend this product.